guys, welcome to another video, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you're here with me for a long while, thank you for being here with me. So guys, today I am going to make a sorbet. So I'm setting up my juicer. So I'm using this attachment today. So I'm going to put it in just like that. Line everything up. Yep. And then you're gonna put, oops, see here, that's gone in, real in. Then we're gonna pop the top on, and everything is ready. So let me show you the entire thing. So that's the entire juicer. So guys, we are going to use some frozen mangoes, frozen lychees, and I think I'm going to use some strawberries also. So let's get into it. Let me go get the strawberry from the fridge. So guys, when you're making the sorbet, you have to let it thaw just a slight, not all the way soft, but just a little. So let's pull this and see how it looks. Nice. Let's see all the mango. That's the mango. So in a few minutes I will start. So I'm gonna cut this video. So guys, I have the lychee, so I'm gonna pour them out. That's it. So we're going to start with that first. And it's not plenty, it's just a small amount. So let's go in and put it in the juicer. So guys, I've turned on my juicer, and here you have the lychee. I should have bought 3 packs. So next time I'm gonna do another one with a different combination. So I'm gonna buy more. So guys, let's keep going. The lychee has a pretty color, very pretty color, and this is a healthy way to switch from ice cream, guys. This is more healthy, and this is why I love my Covin Revo A30, because it can do so much. You can make juice, you can do sorbet with it, you can make smoothie, guys, so much more. You can make even coconut milk with this juicer, so the trash should come out and the milk. One day I'm gonna do one of that for you. So guys, let's enjoy watching the strawberry, frozen strawberry comes out. Wow, look at that. And guys, I'm gonna add some mango with it, so it more looks like Napoleon, ice cream. But instead this is sorbet. So hope you will give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment, and I will list some things in the description box, because you all know that strawberry is nice, it's good for the skin. Guys, here I'm giving you a close-up look how it crushes. The frozen fruit, and let me pop some more strawberry in, and let's keep going, guys. There you have it. It's coming out very smooth and beautiful, and this melts in your mouth. So guys, now that I've finished the strawberry, I'm gonna start putting in some of the mango. So let's switch on the juicer and keep going. So I'm gonna add some mangoes in, but I have another pack of mango on the other side, so I think I should just use that instead. So I'm gonna just use the other one across the other. That's the other one on the right hand side. It's a smaller bag and it was a bit half in it, so let's go for that one and load some of those mangoes in the cooling. And of course you're gonna see some of the yellow start coming out. And guys, strawberry help to lower your cholesterol and the blood sugar level. It helps to drop, and it helps with heart disease, stroke and diabetic. So it is a good way for someone who does not use milk to make the sorbet. And guys, do you know that strawberry helps to boost your cognitive function? So there you have it, guys. And guys, now we're moving on to the mango. Mango improve your gut health, and it is super healthy for weight. If you're doing weight loss, it has a lot of fiber in it. It helps to boost your hair and your skin, help to lower cholesterol, just the same like strawberry, and it controls blood pressure, and it helps to prevent some type of cancer. So let me just push down a little bit of the mango in my juice jug, because it will, twirl and then go over it. So you just stir it a bit. So let's keep going, guys. And guys, something I must tell you about the lychee. It helps to reduce pain and swelling. So it's a good fruit, even with it helps with fever. And guys, let's keep stirring this sorbet so it stays in the jug. And the lychee have magnesium, potassium, copper and manganese. So there you have it. That's what I can remember from the tip of my head, but I will list things in the description. So guys, it's almost time for us to serve our sorbet. Guys, look at the color. Look how beautiful this looks. So why I use the lychee, I just want to give it a nice little look when I serve it with the white. You know what I should do is buy 2 bags or 3 bags, but next time. But nevertheless, I still have a bit can put with it. And guys, did you know that lychee helps to reduce stress, fatigue, it boosts memory and help with depression? Wow. So guys, I've stored the lychee in the fridge because that was the first one I made, so I'm gonna go back in the fridge and take it out. So guys, now we're gonna serve our sorbet, and Tony is gone outside to get me some mint for decoration, and we have just a small. Next time I'll buy a big pack of lychee. So let's serve. Let's see what I'm gonna, let me twist this a little. So I'll put the light there. Hope everyone can see it. Yep. So this is like a whole sorbet, guys. We're gonna put 2 servings. I'm gonna buy one of the ones that you squeeze out because this one is not so stylish at all. But nevertheless, it's doing the job. But it's not giving it the curvy look on top that I want. Let's try and see. Oh yeah, it's coming on now. And this is all natural, guys. All natural. I think I should run a little bit more. Through the juicer. Let's get out some more yellow. So guys, I'm gonna put some more mango in and get some more mango out for the serving on the right. It needs a bit more, so I'm just gonna get a little bit more in the juicer so we can put it on that side. So hope you all will try this, and this is the healthiest way to go instead of eating an ice cream. This is what I have. And guys, please, my hands, I do a close-up thing, so it's gonna let my hands look very big in this video. It's not big, so please don't criticize my hands. So guys, now that we made a small amount, we're gonna just add some more in the one on the right. So guys, we're gonna go in with a little lychee on the top. So guys, this is very healthy, and I've picked some mint from my garden. So we're gonna snap that little part and we're gonna put it on here. We're gonna snap this. So let me move away all these other things. And now you're gonna see our beautiful healthy sorbet, guys. Subscribe to the channel for more. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend. Hope you will try this. It's very healthy and nice. Let me give you a close-up look.